I want to go and look at the DXY. Let's look at the DXY. Okay, so I mentioned to you guys in the previous video that if we break 99, we have high probability that we will start showing strength with the dollar. And we broke that. I'll show you the alerts if you're not bothered to watch the previous videos, which I think you should watch to verify that I was accurate on it. The DXY, where is it? It broke right here, 99. Okay, broke that level. We are now building towards the dollar strengthening. And this is the reason why we saw a sell-off. We are still holding this trend line. For us to be confident that crypto will go down and other currencies, we need this trend line to break. It's very, very simple. We didn't get it here, and we are building our momentum for that 100, maybe 101 level. That will lead off to further sell-offs. So be very, very cautious about buying here without when the dollar is strengthening, because it means that there's a bit of uncertainty, and the safe trade, the safe place to be is cash, right? With the dollar's increasing, as well as, other factors as to why the dollar's increasing, but I don't want to go into that too much. But I'm just giving you guys a basic example of the dollar moves up higher. You could have sold off on that trigger point there where it was 99, and you would have protected yourself from losses in crypto. Very, very simple, and I shared that in the previous video. Other commodities I want to cover are gold. Gold around that 4K zone that I mentioned. Doing exactly what I expected here, 4.3 to 3.9, then rising up here to create the kind of the market structure that it needs. Yes, it could be accumulated here by institutions. That's okay. But as a trader, I'm not looking to accumulate in here. I'm looking to swing trade this. Don't know why this is moving like this. Okay. So as you can see, move up higher, comes back down. 4.3 was the key level. And then now, if we want more bullish momentum, we need this break here. 4.05, 4.1. 4.05, I think, is the key. Yeah, 4.06. And that would be a key break for then a lower high, for it to continue consolidating and building structure and reaccumulated here at these lower levels around the 4K zone, 3.9K zone. That's normal. That's normal structure. We also had it go to around this 45 level, which is held many, many times over the last 2 years or so. So gold's in that situation. We have a strengthening 10-year bonds here as well. That's with the dollar increasing. We have oil dropping, US oil. The Japanese market's doing really well as well. So that's something that I missed out on. Personally, I feel like I missed out on the Asian markets, the Korean and the Japanese market. But we have US oil. And I drew what I was expecting to happen in the next few weeks. Hopefully that appears. Something like that, and yeah, of course we can bounce here and move up higher, but we need this break, the trend line break, for it to really show some momentum and break out of structure. We can come back down, kind of retest this zone of 55, 56, then consolidate here and then break up